ready to ditch cable and catch every heart-pounding moment of NASCAR action. Today, we're diving into how to watch NASCAR on YouTube TV, your all-access pass to roaring engines and checkered flags. First things first, ensure you're subscribed to YouTube TV. If not, head to YouTube and sign up for a free trial. The key to NASCAR on YouTube TV is knowing which channels carry the race's major networks like Fox, NBC, FS1, and USA Network typically broadcast the events. YouTube TV includes all of these in their standard package, so you're covered. To find out when the next race is airing, check the YouTube TV program guide. You can scroll through the channels to locate the NASCAR broadcast, or use the search function to quickly find upcoming races. Once the race starts, simply select the channel broadcasting it, and enjoy the live action. YouTube TV allows you to pause, rewind, and fast forward, so you never miss a crucial moment. Can't catch a race live? No problem. YouTube TV often offers on-demand replays and highlight reels of NASCAR events, letting you watch at your convenience. Just navigate to the sports section of the library to find them. The best part, you can watch NASCAR on YouTube TV on your TV, computer, phone, or tablet, so you never have to miss a race, no matter where you are. Don't forget to record upcoming races. Simply find the race in the guide and hit the plus button next to it. YouTube TV will automatically record the entire event for you. That's all there is to it with YouTube TV. You're always just a few clicks away from experiencing the thrill of NASCAR. Enjoy the races.